Hi guys, so today I want to tell you guys something. So I'm not a faster talker, but this video I will try to make this video a quick one. It will be a fastest video that you will ever see. So I'll try to make it very fast. Though my story is long, but I will make it a bit fast. Okay, today I stopped making YouTube videos for like over 1 year now, which I had some challenges. Yes, I had some challenges, but I'm back and I'm back again. And I say to myself that consistency is the key. Yes. No matter what, no matter the challenges that you will get. There was a time I wasn't getting views. No views. I'll post for a week and I'll get 3 views. I started deleting my videos. I was disencouraged. But now I'm back. Yes. This video is not for me to get pity or something like that, but I just decided that I can do it myself. Yes, and I have some words for people growing like me, like beginners growing like me. So if I'm a beginner, this message I'm about to say is for myself. But if I'm a beginner, I think this is for you. This message is for you. Okay, number one I want to share is start imperfectly. Yes, you will improve faster by doing what you are doing, not by waiting. Yes, if you stop making videos like me, you won't get any improvement. But by making videos every day, then you'll get to improve faster. Don't be like me. This is my message to you. I wouldn't want you to stop making your videos because of 0 views or 0 likes or whatsoever. So don't wait. Start doing what you are meant to do. Start making those videos today. Remember, every big YouTuber was once at a 0 subscriber. If you're not thinking about anything, just think this, know this, that once there was once a big YouTuber and there was once a 0 subscriber, yes, to that person. So don't stop. Don't stop. Consistency got them there. Is by making video, is by being consistent. Yes, that got them there. So start being consistent. I don't want this video to be so long. Yes, but start being consistent. Don't be like me. Like I stopped being consistent. I stopped making videos. I stopped putting out videos. But who lose? I am the one that lose. I'm at loss, not YouTube. So be consistent. That's what I have, and that's the second point I have for you today. There's one other thing that you need to know. Hmm? Okay, your voice matters. Yes, your voice matters. And there is someone out there that needs exactly your style and your message. Yes, so don't stop. You might think that, oh, I'm not getting that views, I'm not getting that subscribers and all that, and to start disencouraging you and you will stop making videos like me. No, there is someone out there that needs that your message. There is someone out there that needs that your style. So don't stop. Today, I'm telling you, don't stop because I stopped. Yes, this is an advice to myself and this is to you as a beginner. So don't stop making that videos. Keep pushing it. The third point I have for you today is small growth is still growth. Yes, celebrate any viewer like a VIP. Yes, don't just say, oh, I had one viewer today and you start feeling sad. Yes, celebrate that person like he or she is a VIP. Just be happy that you had that one view or one subscriber or one any other thing. I'm here to tell you today, focus on the journey. Don't look back. Don't be me. Yes, that's the fifth point I have to tell you today. Focus on the journey. Don't look back. Focus because this your journey will pay and it will pay you forever. Yes, just imagine when you start being consistent, you post your video, you make your videos, and once you started getting those views and subscribers and you are monetized, and you'll be happy. Yes, because I think what we are praying for is to get that monetized at that monetization stage, yes, or to get monetized. That is all our dream as a beginner in this YouTube journey. So I'm telling you, stay on the grind, stay on the grind, don't look back, stay on the journey and focus on the journey. Focus that you are here to do your job, you are here to make money, and you are here to impact. Yes, you are here to impact, be educative in whatever you do. Yes, impact to people out there. Yes, there is something I want to read. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20 because everyone had a starting point. That big YouTuber that you are looking at, you are saying that has he or she is getting 1,000 views in 1 hour upload, and you will upload, you will get 10 views in 10 days. Don't compare. Yes, focus on your own because he or she that you're admiring had once experienced that. Yes, so it begins with focus, consistency, and you keep pushing it. So stop, don't let it weigh you down. Don't let it weigh you. That is This is the few points I have for you, and this is the few points I had for myself. Because when I stopped making YouTube videos, it's not like I was happy to stop making those videos. I wasn't happy at all. I wasn't happy, but at some point, I didn't know what to do. I said, let me just sit and replan myself and re-strategize on what to do, because I know I'm going to come back, and I'm coming back bigger. So this advice that I gave to myself today, I decided to put it out here, because when I was meditating, I had this few points, and I said to myself, I'm going to put this point out there so that people will get to, I think I will impact a beginner that is like me, because maybe someone out there needs this my message. Yes, that's the reason why I said your voice matters. Maybe someone makes that exactly your message or your style, and you think that you're not going, your videos or your views is not going anywhere, and you stop making that videos. You get, so I decided to put these points there. Maybe someone out there might need this message too, like me. I decided to put it for you and for all of us. So if you're a new beginner and at a point you are stuck, like I was, because I'm not stuck now. So you are stuck. I think this message is for you. Focus on the journey. Your voice matters. Start imperfectly. And remember that once a big YouTuber had a zero like or zero subscribers, so don't stop. Don't stop making your videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. So my name is Amaka, and if you are seeing me for the first time, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification so that you'll be notified each time I upload an educative video and videos like this. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.